Housesteads Roman fort in Northumberland was one of 15 forts built along Hadrian's wall. Built in 124 AD, the Romans named the fort Vercovitium. Built midway along Hadrian's wall, it housed an 800-strong infantry regiment, known as a military cohort. This is the south gate with the large ruins of the commanding officer's house. Behind was the fort's headquarters and hospital. On the west side, the remains of the sentry towers and another gatehouse. The Tungarian cohorts who garrisoned this fort were originally recruited from German-speaking tribes in modern Belgium. The remains of the granaries, with their stubby stone pillars. These were designed to keep grain dry and allow air to circulate freely. Housesteads has the best example of Roman latrines in the UK, found in the southeast corner, away from the accommodation blocks. The fort was known as the grandest station on the wall. It is one of the best preserved and well-displayed forts along Hadrian's wall today.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.